What if love is simpler, not chaotic, not exhausting, not emotionally draining? What if love is calm, grounded, consistent? Redefining love means unlearning survival. It means realizing that intensity, that isn't intimacy, and uncertainty is not passion. You don't need fireworks that burn you out. You need safety that lets you breathe. Love that lasts, it doesn't keep you guessing. It meets you with steadiness, not stress. How would your life change if you redefine love as peace instead of pressure? Dream differently? It supports that shift gently and powerfully. Dream differently.